Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing another MAC Beauty Advent Calendar. This one here is the 12-day Advent Calendar with 12 products and the price of it is 99 euros. I have also done an unboxing video for the big Advent Calendar. I'm gonna link it in the description box below. The name of this one is the Boom Boom Wow Mini Advent Calendar and we're gonna see in this video how wow it is going to make me feel. This one here is so cute, so pretty. We have exactly the same packaging. I think it is a very cute gift idea, but first let's see what we have in this one. So first of all, I'm gonna try to open it and you need to be careful not to drop any boxes on the floor. Been there, done that, and this is how it looks. It is like a mini pizza with all of the slices. It is super adorable. We have again all of the boxes in order. Why? We want the excitement of trying to find the numbers. That's so predictable. Anyways, so box number 1 here. Oops. This one feels like a lipstick. And it opens in the same way. This one here is the matte lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy. I think I have this, so just a sec. I'm back. We got the same lipstick last year in the big Advent Calendar by MAC. This is the new one and I'm gonna keep it for a giveaway. Let's see mine that I have used already. This is a very nice shade for every day and I really like the formula of lipsticks by MAC. First one is a full size. Exciting! Let's continue with box number 2 here. I don't hear anything. I'm gonna say an eyeshadow. Oops, oh my god. Okay, everything's fine. We have here the Velux Pearl eyeshadow in the shade All That Glitters. And this one here is actually one of the first eyeshadows that I bought by MAC many years ago, I think 13 years ago. And I remember I was watching another YouTuber. I think her channel was All That Glitters, by the way. This brings back memories. I remember why I liked this eyeshadow. I like it again. This is such a beautiful shade. You can use it for any smoky eye look and it's gonna look fantastic on any skin tone. Up next, box number 3, next to the box number 2. I'm gonna say an eyeshadow. Oh, it's not. No, a sample. This one here is a strobe cream in the shade Pink Light. We had exactly the same product in the big Advent Calendar, also in last year's Advent Calendar by MAC. If you have never tried it, of course it's not bad that we have it in this Advent Calendar. This one also looks very nice just on your skin without any other makeup products. After that, box number 4. Ooh, this one is heavier. I'm gonna say a highlighter. I saw that they have some... Oh, no, it's not. Oh my god. This one is the 3D Black Mascara. I think it is exactly the same that we got in the 24-day Advent Calendar by MAC. So just a sec. I have the products here. So yeah, it is exactly the same. This is mine. This is going for a giveaway. I like the packaging of this mascara a lot. It is so smooth and sleek. I actually like this one. It gives a very nice definition and volume to the lashes. So who doesn't like that? Box number 5. It feels like a lipstick. This one is the Lustre Lipstick in the shade Cockney. We have a beautiful red lipstick. Ooh, this is very different. It has a sheer finish. It's not as opaque as the previous lipstick. It also contains some very fine gold micro glitter. So you can use this as a lip stain. I have never tried this formula. I'm very curious to see if it is long lasting and also how it looks on the lips. This pizza slice is not coming out. Box number 6 is very lightweight. I'm hoping that we don't have a sample. Okay, it's not a sample. And this one is the lip gloss in the shade Oyster Girl. And this one reminds of oysters. So let's see the color of it. So this is a very nice shade for every day. You can use it on top of other lipsticks. I like that it is so shiny. Box number 7 is not noisy. Oh, we have an eyeshadow. That's not bad. So this is the matte eyeshadow in the shade Wedge, and this one is looking like a very nice crease eyeshadow. This one has a very nice color payoff. I'm thinking about doing another makeup look with the products of this advent calendar, so don't forget to subscribe to get notified. Water break. I'm gonna say a highlighter. It doesn't look like a highlighter. Maybe it is a stick highlighter. We are not losing faith. We have here the amplified cream lipstick in the shade Craving. I'm curious to see the color. Ooh, that's super pretty. This one has a shiny finish, and this one is gonna look very nice with a light berry smoky eye look. Moving on to box number 9, which is heavier and a little bit fuller. Let's see what we have. An eyeshadow. This one is the matte eyeshadow in Carbon, and we all know about this shade. It was one of the must-have eyeshadows 10 years ago on YouTube, so I have never tried it, so I'm super curious to see the pigmentation, the blendability. I'm very excited about this eyeshadow. You can also use this eyeshadow to outline your eyes instead of using a liquid eyeliner, gel eyeliner. Box number 10 here. Oops. Okay, everything's fine. This one is very light. I'm gonna say a lip gloss because I don't want to have another sample. I think I'm right. This one here is a lip gloss in the shade Spice, and we had it in the big advent calendar as well. I have the products here. So this one is the new. This is mine. I'm gonna open mine. This is exactly my thing. My lipstick thing. I love colors like this one. After that, box number 11, which is very light as well. So I'm gonna say a blush, but I don't think we have a blush. Ooh, it looks like a lip gloss. An eye pencil. A lip pencil. This one here is the lip gloss in the shade Magically Delightful, and oh my god, I can't open it. This is also a very wearable shade. This one here is a little bit darker, and you can use a peachy lip pencil underneath as a base to make it more corally and peachy. Let's continue with box number 12. This is also very light. I'm gonna say an eye pencil. I think we have a lipstick. This one is the matte lipstick in the shade Diva. I'm very curious to see the Diva shade. We have this dark lipstick. That's a fabulous color for now, for the season, for the holidays. This is gonna look very nice with the light lip gloss that we got because it has a little bit of pink as well. I'm back! It's rating time! The majority of the products are minis, and we also have a lot of lip products. We could also have some pencils for the lips or the eyes, and I would say that the variety didn't hit the mark for me. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 3.5 stars. The overall value of it is 177 euros. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this advent calendar, and you can find here more unboxing videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!